Well, strong winds caused some damage in the last 2 hours. Take a look at this. South Metro Fire shared these pictures showing multiple trees that fell in a neighborhood near East Dry Creek Road in Quebec. One tree hit a power line, causing a power outage. One tree also caused some damage to a home. No one, thankfully, was hurt.
And 3 separate fires are under investigation, considered suspicious by South Metro Fire. This is right by Parker Road and Mississippi Avenue. South Metro Fire says the fires were burning along the Highline Canal and damaged a nearby business. The fire's under control. Crews are mopping up the hot spots right now. Parker Road was closed in both directions, but just reopened in the last half hour. And the winds took out the IKEA sign in Centennial. Sky 9 getting us a view, showing the sign missing from the big navigation tower along I-25. Worries you is where it goes and what it hits, right? IKEA says the sign has been retrieved and they're assessing the building for damage as well.